tell me where the story begins. So tell me where we start, where we end. Pillow talk with you. I'm falling for you.
Hello beautiful people, so we're starting this tutorial by using one of my favorite brushes ever, which is the blending brush. Now the blending brush is perfect for applying a base tone color, and you use it to exactly what it's called, to blend an eyeshadow. So here I am blending a skin tone eyeshadow on my lids. Now the next brush that I'm going to be using is kind of like a concentrated blending brush. That's what I will call it. And this brush is perfect for packing in colors onto the lid. As you can see, I'm grabbing kind of like a orangey brownish shade to it, and I am applying this above my lid to create depth to my eyeshadow. I mean my eyes. Now I'm going back again with the same brush, and I'm just blending it a little bit. Now this one doesn't blend as well as the blending brush, but it gets the job done, and this is why I love it. Now I am using from this set a flat brush, and I absolutely love this flat brush, especially for people that don't have big lids. It just works so well because it's really small, as you can see, and you have more control of how much eyeshadow you apply on your lid, and you have like more control on the application, and that's why I absolutely love it. And as you can see, here is where I made the mistake. So I use a different eye color on my other eye, and then I used a different tone in this eye, and I don't know what I was doing. Anyways, in this part I'm using the concentrated blending brush, and I'm using a black color to start packing that color on my outer part of my eyes, and I'm bringing it almost touching my eyebrows. And why I love using the concentrated blending brush is because I can pack this color very lightly, and later on what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the blending brush to blend in more effortlessly. And you see how good these brushes are? Like, oh my god, nobody can tell me nothing, because these brushes are like, the quality is as great as, you know, a set that I've purchased from a high-end brush set. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because I really want to put you guys on and tell you that you do not need expensive brushes to create like really good makeup. Now anyways, this is another favorite brush of mine. I mean, this is my favorite brush set, honestly. The price and then just the quality of the brushes is amazing. Now this is an eyeliner angle brush, and I really love this brush because it's very small, and when you're applying a paste eyeliner, it grabs it really well, and it gives you like this sharp eyeliner. Like, look at that, look at that. You guys cannot tell me anything right now. It looks amazing. And yeah, that's about it. Like, I kid you not, guys, I love this brush. It's the absolute my absolute favorite. And now I'm going back with my flat brush, and I'm just adding kind of like that rosy gold color on my under my waterline. And now I'm using a really cool brush. I don't really use this often, and it's called like a smudging pen, I guess. And it really is what it really does what it says. So it smudges eyeshadow. So I just took a little bit of black eyeshadow, and I'm applying it on my on the outside of my waterline, just to create depth. And there you have it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It was really easy. I did it mostly to show you guys how I use this brush set, and to let you know that you can rock a makeup with a brush set under $7. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon, and bye bye, ciao. And all the products will be listed in the description box. Bye bye.